When we open the scene we've created in Factory I/O to represent our process, it will appear like this. Constructing this type of scene in Factory I/O is remarkably simple. You only need to drag and drop the desired elements onto the scene. We won't go into an in-depth description of creating a Factory I/O scene at this point. This course is focused on teaching you how to program processes of this kind. Here is the control panel for this integrated process. Push buttons, indicators, and numerical displays are strategically placed on the panel's door. We've included two moving conveyors, representing the entry conveyor and the sorting conveyor. These are the top and bottom sensors, employed to detect the presence of a box and determine whether it is tall or short. This is the sorting arm used to redirect the box's path when a tall box is detected. It includes its own moving belt, which provides the necessary push to the box. Additionally, a warning lamp is used to indicate when the sorting arm is in operation. Here are the other two sensors we utilize in our process, known as S1 and S2. They serve a dual purpose. One is to count each type of box individually, while the other is to identify the completion of the sorting process. Here, we employ an emitter to release cardboard boxes onto our entry conveyor in an irregular pattern. By adjusting its settings, we can determine the minimum gap between two boxes. This adjustment is crucial, as maintaining a gap between boxes is essential for the efficient functioning of the process. It's important to note that the emitter is primarily used for simulation purposes only. We also utilize a remover, which removes cardboard boxes that have completed their sorting process.